Sumayin niyo ang Panginoon bago kasal ilupo ninyo ang ilupulo. Ang Diyos sa mga kapangyarihan na siya na magbigay ng kagalakan dulot ng mga anak mo sa Yesus silang at ng kanyang kasiyahan ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan. Ang bundok na anak ng Diyos, siya na huwag sa inyo tumawag sa hirap at kalimuhan ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan. Ang Espiritu Santo, siya na magpagdulot ng pamahal na naglumabaw sa inyo ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan. At kayong kahatanangin ko sa simbahan ito, pagbalangin kayo ng kapangyarihan Diyos, Ama, Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Kumain kayong taglay kapayapaan mo ang Diyos, mga inang patingnan. Salamat sa palasang natin ang Diyos. Salamat kayo sa mga magkawag ko ng Presidente ng bagong kasal, ginawagtinan ang Benson Evangeline ng mga at palakpan natin sila.
Times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. Just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me. Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be: that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. And till the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Oh, I was. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. I don't know, but I believe that some things are meant to be, and that you make a better me every day.